So, if your company is creating a service, maybe it's an online tool, a SaaS, or maybe even a developer's tool, API or plugin, you would naturally like and expect people to know how to use it. But at some point, you realize that it doesn't always work. Not just because of the complexity or the nuance of the tool or service, but more importantly, it's because of a language barrier. I am Abdurrahman Al-Gammal, the CEO and co-founder of Gammal Tech, the most popular Arabic programming courses website in the MENA region and the Arab world. We have seen from our experience in computer science education that language plays an important role in the adaptation of tools. If your service has Arabic documentation or Arabic tutorials, it becomes much more likely that it would be used by Arabic-speaking users. So how can we help? Gammal Tech is offering to produce tutorials and courses for your services in the Arabic language. By partnering with us, you would access a market of 300 million users. Our teams will handle everything from writing, recording, editing, and to publishing the lessons. Contact us if you're ready to conquer this market.